I love hats.
Guess what size these are?
Welcome to our Camp America, get ready with me.
We're going to be running through some of the things that we took to camp, and we're going to be recommending things that you should be taking to camp with you this summer.
We're both going to camp this summer, so we are actually getting ready for camp.
We are. The age-old question that we get asked all the time.
All the time.
Backpack or suitcase?
So I'm a backpack girl. I love a backpack. I think it feels so cool with my backpack when I'm carrying it to the airport. Like,
Suitcase man, 100%.
Suitcase man.
4 wheels, hard shell, get everything in there. You wheel it along like that. It looks fantastic. You look fancy when you walk through Manhattan.
But
it's beautiful.
Surely it's easier when you just like throw your backpack on your back. It's just like part of you. You're just like, here's my backpack.
But what if it's really heavy?
It is quite heavy, but you're strong when you go to camp.
Not me. I can wheel anything in my suitcase. Suitcase all day.
What can you fit more in though, do you think?
Suitcase.
I think a backpack. I think you can fit more in a backpack.
Suitcase. Sunglasses. They keep the sun out of your eyes, and you look fashionable too. I love a hat.
I love a hat. I think hats are so cool. I think at camp, like, it's just an essential thing that you need to wear on your head. You know, it keeps your head out of the sun, and also, like, they just look great.
Yeah, they do, especially these ones. Also, kids are going to have to bring their hats with them everywhere they go. So if you've got your hat, you're setting a good example to the kids. They'll copy you, they'll want to do what you want to do. So if you're wearing the hat, it means their kids are wearing the hat, and no one's getting sunburned. With your t-shirts, you might get fun camp t-shirts like this, staff t-shirts.
Or you might buy cool t-shirts like this.
Yeah, just make sure they're camp appropriate.
And you want them to be big, baggy, comfortable, lightweight. You know, you're going to be outside with the kids all day. At camp, you don't want to be taking your best shoes. You just want to take shoes that are comfy, you're going to be wearing them every day, and that you don't mind getting maybe wrecked.
Yeah, I bought a pair of Reebok Classics. They were white to start with, and they were brown by the end of it, so I just threw them in the bin.
Yeah, I was throwing a pair in the bin as well.
We've been modelling Converse.
And I had my Tevas on. A good pair of sandals is a good thing to take to camp.
But read your camp's shoe policy, because a lot of camps have a closed toe shoe policy, which means you can only wear shoes that have a closed toe.
Also, shower shoes.
Oh, essentials.
Shower shoes, you need them.
Yeah,
it rains at camp. It's really important that you take a water bottle to camp. You want to stay hydrated. You're outside all day doing loads of activities.
Yeah, bring a refillable, reusable one like this. Also, again, the same as your hats, the kids will have to take water bottles everywhere they go. You take yours, they'll take theirs. Simple as that.
One thing I'm definitely taking to camp this year is bug spray. Like, it's just so good when you're at camp.
Yeah, you're surrounded by all these midges and everything.
Trees, when you're at the campfire, like, you really need it when you're there.
Would recommend.
Would recommend.
Okay.
This is 5-star sun cream.
Yeah. So one thing I'm definitely taking to camp with me is lots and lots of sunscreen. I'm incredibly pale. It's very sunny over there. It gets hot.
And you're always at the lake.
Yeah.
I feel like
always
you
outside.
burn faster at the lake.
Yeah.
Something I always take to camp is fancy dress. I love taking fancy dress to camp because it's such a good conversation starter, and there's so many opportunities to dress up at camp. Like, every day, I don't know about you, but I would literally go to breakfast in like fancy dress. Like, it is just so fun and so funny, and where else can you dress up every day and look silly? It's just amazing. Yeah.
So one thing I'm definitely bringing with me is a little laundry bag like this. It's really great because you can just whack all your clothes in it. If you're doing laundry at your own camp, you can put it in one of these, stick it over your shoulder, and off you go. Oh
my gosh, at my camp, I didn't have one of these my first year, and I had to carry all my washing in like literally a black bin liner, and I would carry it up the hill. It literally looked like I had a body in it. It was horrible. It was so bad.
Laundry bags.
Something from home. It's so good to take something from home with you when you go to camp. You know, you're going to want those home comforts. When you wake up in the morning, you're not having the best day, you're going to want to have like a Yorkshire tea bag, and a piece of chocolate when you're not having the best day. It makes all the difference.
It does. I can also say that this tea is the best tea in the world. That is the best chocolate in the world. Americans, sort your tea and chocolate out.
The chocolate in America is not great.
No, it's not great. Bring your own, bring the best of the best. Yorkshire tea, Cadbury's Dairy Milk. Bring it along.
Take it with you. And this disposable camera is something I always take to camp, and it's just such a great way to capture memories. Like, I'm just someone who likes to capture every single moment. I think a disposable camera is a really great way to do that. Like, it's not expensive if you lose it. Like, it is sad, but you know, it's not expensive if you do lose it.
And you get physical memories from this, which you don't really get on DSLRs.
I think it's amazing.
Cameras.
And do you know something really amazing about this is that every year I take all these photos, you're there for 3 months, I don't know what's on the film, and then I go and I develop it when I get home, and I'm like, oh my gosh, these are all those amazing memories of those people, and it's just incredible.
This is the best thing you can take
to camp. The best thing, a camera, 100%.
A disposable camera. So if you want to win all of this stuff here and take it to camp, just comment what camp you're going to down below and we'll pick a winner in the next couple of weeks.
And we'll send it straight to you.
Woo!
So that was our get ready with me. We're flying to camp so soon, like literally in a month we fly to camp. It's really exciting. If you want to stay tuned with our camp journey, what we're getting up to, getting ready for camp, follow us on all our social media, it's down below. And you can stay tuned for what we're doing next.
Have the most amazing summer.
Have the most amazing summer. I'm so excited.
Enjoy.